Your laughter still echoes in these halls. I hear your voice in the midnight calls. The scent of you, it stays too long. A ghost that hums our favorite song.
She will leave far away from here as the afternoon fades. We say goodbye, a tight embrace, one final kiss. I hide my face
so she won't see the pain behind my eyes. When the bus disappears down the road, tears will fall from my own eyes. And as she looks at the passing view, she'll be thinking of me. Will she be thinking of me? As little raindrops tap against the window pane.
Oh, raindrops on the window pane, falling slow but they whisper your name.
Every drop feels like goodbye. Every mile pulls you from my sky. Love fades in a silver line between your heart and mine. But somewhere in the sound of rain,
we still remain. We still remain. Your shadow lingers in the glow, a bittersweet that won't let go. You took the sun when you took your flight, left me drowning in the night.
if I could stop the wheels from turning, if I could keep the fire burning, I'd steal the dawn before you go. But time's a thief I can't